Nagala kusima ekyonoona obutonde bw'ensi ekyo ekitagenda na kuleeta kwenkulaakulanya kubanga nkulaakulanya gye twetaaga wano yene enkulaakulanya gye bayita sustainable development naye nenkulaakulanya enaatutire enaasaanyawo entobazi enaaleeta amataba enaaleeta endwadde oba neezongera obuvumu nga kansa ng'abantu nga steel bus ng'abantu okufa from heat related diseases ate nekintu ki abana science bonna bavumirira kwegamba nga ba International Energy Agency ate ekintu ekituza amabega mu kkubo lyaffe erya energy transition okuva mu bukyamu obwa oil kugenda mu bintu ebirungi nga sani bagiyita ki enjuba ng'amaanyi g'enjuba amaanyi g'amaazi nga Lake Victoria n'amaanyi g'omuyaga gagavamu energy etagenda kukosa ensi yaffe ebyobutonde byaffe n'embeera y'obudde yaffe ze twandibadde nga tukirekayo ne tulaba nga tukoze sacrifice naye n'ekirala mulimu concept endala ya climate justice nga Azerbaijan gye bali Abanayuganda abamu abatukiikirira mu nkubagana eza COP ze bayita COP ezoogera ku bintu bino balina okukyogerako nanansi ez'abagaga ezaleeta akabenje kano ezaleeta obuzibu buno ezasinga okubuleeta obwa climate crisis kubanga bwatandikira mu Bungereza ne Europe mu industrial revolution nga mujjukira kati bwe bwatandikira kati ensi ennene nga America nga Europe kwatira wamu Canada ezirina ensimbi ate zasinga okwonoona tuzikaka tuzisaba ffe nga Africa batuwe ssente ez'okutusobozesa nga ffe ebyobugaga tubirese mu ground naye nga tuzimbe ensi yaffe tugisobozese okubeera nga esobola okuadaptinga ku bizibu bye baatuleetera ate neekulaakulanya.
Is Christopher Opio and one of the oil project affected persons. I was affected by one of the oil projects, if you remember, the oil refinery the oil refinery, that is way back in 2012. That was the first oil project, if you all remember, that affected so many people, 118,000 people. So, as affected people, I will not talk the science, but I will talk what is happening and why we've been demanding for justice. One, the compensation is being delayed in the first place. Myself, I was affected in 2012 and resettled in 2018. That's about 6 years. Secondly,
and 7 oil-impacted community members appeared in court for further hearing of the common nuisance criminal charges. 20 environmental defenders, including 13 activists, and 7 oil-impacted community members have appeared at Buganda Chief Magistrate's Court for further hearing of their case on the 12th of November 2024. These 20 environmental defenders were arrested on the 26th of August 2024 for peacefully demonstrating against the East African crude oil pipeline project and oil projects demanding justice, respect for their rights, and an end to the environmental and human rights abuses associated with the oil projects. These defenders were demonstrating against the ongoing devastations caused by the oil projects developed by Total Energies, Chinese National Offshore Oil Corporation, CNOOC, which include but not limited to low compensation, forced displacements, court delays in hearing community cases, oil activities in ecosystem areas, government suing community members, disrespect of human rights and others, which continue to disrupt livelihoods of thousands of people and threatens Uganda's environment and biodiversity. In addition, joint actions led by oil-impacted community members and youth environmental activists are aimed at fighting against risky oil activities such as East African Crude Oil Pipeline, Eacop, the Tilenga Oil Project, the Hoima Refinery Oil Project, degradation of Bugoma Forest, Lakes Albert and Victoria, River Nile, Makshon Falls National Park, and thousands of local communities whose land has been compulsorily acquired without fair compensation or grabbed with impunity. The human rights defenders continue to face criminal charges for exercising their constitutional rights to assemble, demonstrate peacefully, associate, move, among others, in addition to facing repression from police officers that harass, intimidate, arrest, and detain them with impunity. We strongly warn that arresting demonstrators that does not solve any of the issues they are raising on oil and gas.
Saying that Uganda accepted to be among the countries that comply with the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. And Article 13 says that we have a right to freedom of movement. And still in the Ugandan Constitution that I stand on, that is Article 23, that states that I have to fight for a clean environment. That's why I, Martha, has to wake up every day and say, what should I do so that Uganda has a clean environment? I'll start by saying that this project, the crude oil pipeline, is not only going to benefit, it's not going to benefit Ugandans at all. I hear most of the border guys about border mugamba nti basima mafuta mu Uganda tugenda kufunamu. Ani yakugamba? Ng'ebitundu 7 ku buli 100 zigenda France mu total. Ebitundu 3 bye birina okudda mu East Africa mulimu amawanga 2 agagenda okugabana. Ebitundu 15 bigenda ku Tanzania. Gwe muna Uganda ofuniramu wa? Gwolaba ku buno obudde bakwata nze ne bansiba olwo obululu kyanga mafuta bagasimye bagenda gakuguza sente mmeka. Kitegeeza bagenda kuguza ku bei gy'obadde tosuubira. Nze ng'omukyala wotunuulira eddembe lyange engeri gye ligenda, my health is going to be disturbed by this pipeline. Ogenda tandika olwala ebirwadde by'otategeera. Abakyala bamugenda tuka nga temuzaala. Ate bagamba awatali mukyala tewali ggwanga. Kyenva nkowola abakyala bonna ab'eggwanga Uganda muyimuke. Kino tekiri kuffeffeka naye ffenna kitukakatako okulwanirira eddembe